Solve for x. 1/2 times the quantity x minus 6 equals 18. What does x equal? Well, let's rewrite this problem right here. We have 1/2 times the quantity x minus 6 equals 18. Well, one way we can solve this is that we can multiply each side of the equation by 2 over 1. Why are we doing this? Because we're trying to solve for x, and right now we have a half in front of it. And the way we're going to handle it is multiplying it by 2 over 1, and that's going to get our coefficient equal to 1. So we multiply 2 over 1 times 1 over 2, that's going to be equal to 2 over 2 times the quantity x minus 6 equals, and then 18 times 2, that's 36, and 1 times 1 is 1. We also know that 2 over 2 is the same thing as 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. So we're left now with x minus 6 equal to 36. We can rewrite this without the parentheses and now add 6 to each side of the equation, and x equals 42. That's one way we can solve it. Here's a second way. A second way we can solve it is this. We have 1/2 times the quantity x minus 6 equals 18. We could also distribute. So that would be 1/2 times x minus 1/2 times 6. And that also equals 18. 1/2 times x, well, this is 1/2 x. Next, we're going to be subtracting what? We're subtracting 1/2 multiplied by 6 over 1. That's what's going to happen here. Still equals 18. 1/2 times 6 is 6, and then 2 times 1, that's 2. So we still have 1/2 x minus 6 over 2 equals 18. Well, we have 1/2 x, and we know that 6 over 2, that's the same thing as 3, as 3 equals 18. So now we're going to add 3 to each side, and this is now 1/2 x equals 21. So now we have 1/2 x equals 21, and what we can do is now multiply each side by 2 over 1. We're doing that because we're setting ourselves up to have just 1x, and we can multiply by the reciprocal, and that'll just be 1x or a single x. 2 over 2 cross cancels to 1 over 1 because 2 goes into 2 one time. So we're left with 1 over 1x, or just an x, and that's going to be equal to 21 times 2. So we're multiplying 21 times 2 over 1 times 1, which 21 times 2, that's equal to 42 over 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 42, because any number over 1 is just that number, so 42. So two different ways to get our answer that x is equal to 42 as the answer.